Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi keeps turning off on Infinix GT30. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on battery and power saving. Click on power saving and make sure turn off power saving. After turn off power saving, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved, but if it not solved, so check your network. After you check your network, you will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so restart device. Just click and hold side power button. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this icon, you will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on reset phone and click on reset phone. Reset all settings, click on reset, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last solution is software update. Click on settings app and click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.